Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of robotic floor cleaners, comparing top contenders in the market. First, the X1 Omni, a marvel that vacuums, mops, and autonomously manages its tasks. Then, the Roomba J7 with its smart camera and obstacle detection. For a flawless clean, the Roborock S7 Max delivers superior vacuuming and mopping. Budget-friendly options include the Roomba 694 and RoboVac G30. Stay tuned for a glimpse into the future of home cleaning. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Number 1. X1 Omni. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X1 Omni is a premium robotic floor cleaner, setting itself apart as one of the most expensive yet technologically advanced options on the market. Combining vacuuming and mopping capabilities, it goes above and beyond by autonomously emptying its dustbin, cleaning and drying its mop cloth, and refilling its water tank. This marks a significant advancement in robotic floor cleaning technology, catering to those who prioritize cutting-edge convenience. Not just limited to cleaning, the X1 Omni doubles as a versatile home security camera featuring two-way audio. What's more, it comes with a built-in voice assistant named Eco, eliminating the need for an additional smart speaker. During tests, it showcased remarkable performance, cleaning for up to 145 minutes in auto mode before needing a recharge. Its adept maneuvering around obstacles and effective debris collection make it a standout choice. Ideal for those with a generous budget, especially in spacious homes or households with pets, the X1 Omni offers extended battery life, powerful suction, and AI-driven obstacle avoidance technology. While comparable models exist, the X1 Omni secures our editor's choice title due to its sleek design, integration of the Eco virtual assistant, larger water tanks, and the added bonus of a built-in hot air mop dryer. Though its price tag is high, the X1 Omni delivers unmatched convenience and performance for those willing to invest. Number 2. Roomba J7. The iRobot Roomba J7 stands out as a pinnacle of intelligence among standalone robot vacuums in today's market. Its built-in camera and cutting-edge machine learning technology empower it to effortlessly detect obstacles in its cleaning path and autonomously navigate around them. iRobot's precision vision navigation algorithms have been meticulously trained to recognize various objects, such as phone cords, power cables, pet waste, and clothing, sourced from a vast collection of customer-contributed images. When faced with unfamiliar obstacles, the Roomba J7 Plus captures photos and seeks user guidance, enabling the swift establishment of keep-out zones in areas where other robot vacuums falter. This innovation is especially invaluable for those with cluttered homes or pets prone to accidents, making it the ideal choice for households in need of a top-tier standalone robot vacuum. iRobot's confidence in the Roomba J7 Plus is highlighted by their pet owner official promise, assuring a replacement for free if the device fails to avoid solid pet waste within a year of purchase. The Roomba J7 boasts an auto-empty base, intelligent suggestions for keep-out zones, compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, scheduled area cleanings, minimal instances of getting stuck, and a user-friendly companion app. However, its impressive features come at a premium price, and its battery life leaves room for improvement. Number 3. Roborock S7 Max. The Roborock S7 Max V Ultra, a cutting-edge floor cleaning robot, stands shoulder to shoulder with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X1 Omni as one of the most effortless cleaning solutions available. This high-end hybrid excels in both vacuuming and mopping, ensuring your floors remain immaculate. What sets it apart is its ability to autonomously empty the dustbin, wash the mopping cloth, and refill the water tank, ensuring it's always prepared for the next cleaning session. Boasting a powerful suction rating of 5,100 pascals, it outperforms many competitors. Designed for users with extensive hard flooring, the S7 Max V Ultra employs sonic vibration technology, scrubbing floors 3,000 times per minute, surpassing the X1 Omni's 180 revolutions per minute. The result? Spotless, deep-cleaned floors. Additionally, it serves as a security camera with two-way audio, adding value beyond its cleaning capabilities. While its features are exceptional, it comes with a hefty price tag and a large base. It lacks hot air mop drying, has smaller water tanks and dust bags compared to competitors, and its camera orientation doesn't cover outward views during docking. Despite minor drawbacks, its advanced features and unmatched mopping performance make it a top choice for those seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 4. Roomba 694. The Roomba 694, iRobot's most budget-friendly option, proves to be a commendable choice despite its affordability. In tests, it adeptly navigated obstacles without advanced technology and effectively tackled dust and dog hair. Notably, it boasts a slightly improved battery life compared to its excellent predecessor, the Roomba 675. You can conveniently control the Roomba 694 through an app or voice commands, enabling scheduled cleanings. Designed for newcomers, especially those on a budget, this 600 series Roomba offers reliable performance and affordability amidst the evolving market. However, for those with a more flexible budget, opting for a self-emptying model is advisable, as the Roomba 694 requires manual bin emptying after every few cleaning sessions. Its strengths include affordability, minimal getting stuck, effortless app setup, compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control, and the ability to focus on heavily soiled areas. However, it does have its downsides, such as being loud, missing some debris on carpets during testing, lacking advanced navigation and mapping features, and lacking a carrying handle. Despite these drawbacks, the Roomba 694 remains a noteworthy choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking reliable robot vacuum performance. Number 5. RoboVac G30. The evolution of robot vacuums has led to remarkable technological advancements, incorporating features like laser navigation sensors and home security cameras. However, a downside to this progress is the increase in their size, with most models standing taller than 3 inches. Amidst this trend, the Eufy RoboVac G30 stands out due to its diminutive stature, measuring a mere 2.85 inches in height and 12.8 inches in diameter. This compact size allows it to access spaces that larger counterparts cannot, effortlessly cleaning under furniture such as couches. Despite its modest battery life, the RoboVac G30 distinguishes itself through intelligent navigation, following systematic cleaning patterns instead of haphazardly bouncing off walls. Moreover, it boasts impressive suction power, automatically intensifying when transitioning onto carpets or heavily soiled areas. The device offers app and voice control support, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. Its small size is particularly advantageous for individuals residing in compact homes or apartments, especially those furnished with low-profile items. If your current robot vacuum struggles to clean beneath furniture or frequently becomes entangled in chair legs, the RoboVac G30 presents an appealing solution. From premium models that redefine convenience and technology to intelligent robots with precision obstacle detection and sleek, high-performance solutions, these innovations are revolutionizing home cleaning. For those on a budget, there are reliable options, and for those needing to access tight spaces, there's a compact choice. These robots promise to elevate your cleaning experience. Like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.